Hi Tubman, it's Mrs. Morell. I'm here with day 3 of Edison's inventions. Let's get started. To review from yesterday, the questions that I asked at the end, we're going to write the answers today. Yesterday we talked about what did Edison invent? Thomas Edison invented. Say it out loud. You can look back at your notes from yesterday. I could say, Thomas Edison invented the phonograph and the electric light. Now, why are Edison's inventions important? I'm going to pick one invention to answer about. First, you say it out loud using this. The blank is important because. Say it out loud. I could say the phonograph is important because people can play music at home. Before the phonograph, there weren't records to play music at home. Last question. How did Edison improve the electric light? Answer by saying, Edison improved the electric light by I could say, Edison improved the electric light by making it safe. Okay. Now, today we're going to talk about the difference between invent or innovate. We used these words when we read about the girl who invented a healthy lollipop. The question for today is, did Thomas Edison invent or innovate the electric light? Invent means to make something useful for the first time. Innovate, to do or make something a new way. Invent, first time. Innovate, new way. So let's look back at the text. Let's read it together. The electric light. Thomas invented many things. He invented an electric light. At that time, electric lights cost a lot and were not safe. Other people had tried to make a safe light that many people could buy. Thomas tried many times too. He did not quit. He made a safe electric light. His light did not cost much to make. Thomas then worked to bring electricity to people. His lights would later be used around the world. So, let's look at a couple of new vocabulary words. Sorry. First word is old. Say old. Old has two meanings. Old can refer to a person having lived for many years. Old can also refer to a thing having existed or been in use for a long time, not new. So think of something that you have that is old. We're going to say it in a sentence. For example, I have an old bed. My bed is old. Sometimes it hurts my back. I should buy a new one. Please say a sentence using the word old. Sorry if you hear a lot of noise in the background. My son is watching the Magic School Bus and he's laughing a lot. He really likes that show. All right, next word, new. These sneakers are new. New means recently born, built, or created, not old. So think of something that you have that is new. Use it in a sentence. I could say, I got a new toothbrush. You say a sentence. Last word, cost. The amount of money that is needed to buy something. The money is the cost, the price of something. So we could say, something costs a lot. Something does not cost much. Not much money. So think about something that costs a lot. I could say, a new car costs a lot. Think about something that does not cost much. I could say, an old car does not cost much. Say your sentences out loud. Okay. Now, your job today is that you are going to say and write an answer to this question. Did Thomas Edison invent or innovate the electric light? You will start it like this. Thomas Edison invented or Thomas Edison innovated the electric light because. The vocabulary words that you can use are safe, tried, old, new, cost. We're going to read the section of the text one more time, and I want you to think about your answer to the question. Did Thomas Edison invent or innovate the electric light? Let's read it out loud together. The electric light. Thomas invented many things. He invented an electric light. At that time, electric lights cost a lot and were not safe. Other people had tried to make a safe light that many people could buy. Thomas tried many times too. He did not quit. He made a safe electric light. His light did not cost much to make. So your job is to write an answer to the question, did Thomas Edison invent or innovate the electric light? After you write it, take a picture of your writing and have your parents text it to me so that I can read it and see your writing. Remember to use your vocabulary words, and you can always go back in the video to look at the text again. I want to know your opinion about if he invented or innovated. Make sure to have your parents text me a picture so that I can see your writing. Stay safe, keep reading. I miss you. Bye.